Hi there, I'm Ryan Fish, and this is Buugeng 101, Lesson 4, Lead. If you imagine the center of your buugeng, or handle, is fixed in space to a single point, there are 3 different ways your prop can be rotated, or led. The first way you can lead is with the curve, and it looks like this. You will notice that the curve is always leading the action. My friend Mateus describes this as slicing, and that's a really good way to characterize it. The second type of lead is point-led, and you will notice that this is immediately more difficult. My friend Mateus likes to characterize this as stabbing, because the point stabs into things. And when it stabs into things, it can be kind of harder to control. The third type of lead is flat-led, and you will notice it's when the flat side leads. I liked Mateus' system of giving verbs the action. I'm going to call this one flopping. It is the least common, but it is still a useful idea to know. Alright, Buugangsters and Buugeners, you may have noticed that the flat-led concept is a little bit ambiguous. Because that could be flat-led, but so could that. And so could that. Almost any type of fold, which we will cover in later videos, is going to have a type of flat lead. And again, those 3 things are curve-led, tip-led, and flat-led. Hope that helps you characterize your movement. Thanks.